In this video, I will discuss how does adenosine triphosphate work. ATP is adenosine triphosphate, or adenosine with 3 phosphate groups. ADP is adenosine diphosphate, or adenosine with 2 phosphate groups. Basically, ATP works by being broken down into ADP of phosphate group and energy. ATP, adenosine with 3 phosphate groups, is hydrolyzed into ADP, adenosine with 2 phosphate groups, 1 phosphate group, plus energy. Energy is released when ATP is converted to ADP. ADP can be converted back to ATP by adding a 3rd phosphate group. After eating food, the fats, carbohydrates, and proteins from the meal are chopped down into smaller pieces, resulting in fatty acids, sugars, and amino acids. These smaller pieces will now be ripped apart to release energy. This newly released energy is stored within ATP. ATP is like a battery, a package of energy. But a cell can so easily access this energy that it is as if there is no difference between ATP and energy. This is why I told you that to a cell, ATP and energy are the same thing. Once energy is put into ATP form, it can be easily used to fuel chemical reactions. This is how ATP works and how it can power any function that any particular cell performs. When energy is needed, ATP is broken down to release the stored energy. The resulting ADP molecule is like a discharged battery. The beauty of this system is that ADP can be easily recharged or reformed into energy-containing ATP. ATP and ADP are interconvertible compounds, and they also play additional and very important roles in human biochemistry. In summary, ATP works by storing energy in an easily accessible form. In this video, you have learned how does adenosine triphosphate work. If you want to find more useful information on adenosine, then go to damianalexander.com/adenosinepdf. If you want to learn more about critical nutritional supplements, life extension, and disease prevention, then subscribe to my YouTube channel at Damian Alexander's Vids. Lastly, discover the easiest and shortest way to double physical and mental energy, strengthen immunity, and restore health by visiting howtochangeyourOwnbatteries.com.